Hi, this is Sanjay Agrawal. I'm an Ambedkar. So we have this lady Niharika, and Niharika is a drone machine, normal. It's an unmanned aerial vehicle. Right? So you can talk about your company. Be a little loud so that the volume goes. Yeah, please come.
So hi, my name is Niharika and I'm the founder of a drone company called Volar Alta. Should I say that again?
Yes. Repeat.
Repeat?
Yes.
Okay. Hi. Hi, my name is Niharika and I'm the founder of a drone company called Volar Alta. We have basically built an entire end-to-end logistics platform which will enable drone manufacturers or other service providers to seamlessly conduct drone-based deliveries. We basically have a booking app and then we have a backend software. So once you book a drone on the booking app, it will get reflected in our backend software, and then we do a bunch of things like order management, fleet management, UTM integration, charting the flight plans, auto routing, prioritization. A bunch of things are done at the backend so that the end customer gets an end-to-end seamless delivery, which is easy, convenient, flexible, and reliable.
Right. So when did you start this? When was this company incorporated? Which place with part of India are you from?
So we're from Pune.
Okay.
And the logistics arm of the company was launched in just like a month ago, on the 30th.
2022.
Yeah, so we launched it on 30th. We launched it on 30th of March. However, the logistics arm is 9 months old. We are running a pilot with We're running a pilot with KEM Hospital Research Center in Pune, where they have a bunch of rural health centers under them. So
what do they do? Transport? What do they do?
So we deliver
medicines?
Yes, we deliver medicines, blood bags, saline bags, stuff like that using drones and using our payload. So this is our proprietary solution, which is a storage payload. At this point of time, what happens is each drone is able to just carry one item at a time, right? What we are doing is with this particular payload, it is cold chain enabled, it is intelligent, and it has multiple compartments. So we are enabling drone manufacturers to do multiple deliveries in a single flight.
So that single flight would be what duration would it be?
It really depends from drone to drone and the amount of weight that you're carrying. So higher the weight,
It's
less
200 kg maximum payload?
So
Yes.
it depends, It
Yeah,
depends
no,
from
this
drone
is
to
how
drone.
much?
This particular drone can carry up to 50 kgs, but we've tested 50.
All right. And you want to talk about your background, your educational background?
Sure.
People would be curious to know.
Sure. Not an issue. So I have done my entire education from Pune. I studied at Symbiosis College and then I prepared for CFA. And I moved to Bombay through my first job at PwC as an investment banker. So then I was a banker for about 6 years. I worked with PwC and KPMG in the M&A infra space. And thereafter I jumped into starting up.
So this is your startup. That really means it's you're women, whom we should be proud of, each Indian.
Thank you so much.
So it's perfect. And how many team members you have now with you?
We have about 10 team members.
So you have some engineers as well, and what drone scientists I would call them.
We don't have drone scientists
not at the
yet,
moment.
but yes, we do have a few engineers.
Now, how do you feel to be here today?
I am elated. It's definitely a great place to be where you're able to see your fellow
Yes.
startup founders
Right.
do so much of innovation, and it's really inspiring, and I'm definitely going back a lot once.
Okay. And with the pricing part, if you're going to talk, so this is your initially developed product, you have some foreign component to this?
We've been funded.
Rotors.
Oh, like that. Okay, no.
No, it's totally.
It's completely.
Okay, so what's it priced at, say? Somebody on the OEM, somebody. Now, this is service oriented, but if you were to, somebody was to buy, say, OEM was to go and buy drones from you.
I am not a drone manufacturer,
Alright.
so I won't be able to comment on the pricing.
So you are
But
means this drone is outsourced from another.
drones will be onboarded onto our platform.
Alright.
So, for example, tomorrow you are my customer, and today you want to transport 500 grams per time. Okay, maybe 3 days later you want to transport
So you would
something
be a
which is
service
5
provider?
kgs.
Can we call you a
Yes,
service
but
provider?
service provider with our own proprietary technology.
That's great. And are you the first in India to start some
One of the only
operations?
ones.
One of the only
No,
ones.
people
There
are
are.
doing a lot of work in the medical
Yeah,
space.
I'm
But
not fully aware, so therefore I said
no
yes.
problem. But this kind of a back-end and a front-end integrated solution, right, where everything is available on a single platform, we're one of the only
All
ones.
right. And how do you feel being part of the Atal Innovation Mission and what the Prime Minister has set in the vision? So what do you feel about that?
I feel that there has not been a better time to be an entrepreneur in India. There are so many schemes that the government has come up with, which gives startups like us a kickstart to our businesses.
Right.
It gives you the initial funding, it gives you the initial mentorship, it gives you connects, it sometimes even helps you to find your first customer. So what else do you need, right?
Great.
I think you must start from whatever you have, and
Yes,
I think the
yes.
amount of resources that India is providing us today is immense, and I think we should be good.
Great. And we have your colleagues, ma'am. Why don't you join in?
Yes, please join
And
the
ask them, please join. Come. You come in the
Come.
center. You'll also join, please. Come.
Come, Amit.
We'll take a picture, please. All of you. Small picture we'll take. You can introduce yourselves.
Yeah, myself I'm Rashmi. I'm just newly associated with Volar Alta and
Okay.
I'm taking care of administration.
Great. And what about you, sir?
My name is Amit, and I see the technical development part. For
Wow.
He's
So-
the one behind the storage people.
Great. So thanks and welcome to Delhi.
Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
bye.
So much.